Bye-bye. We're at Michael's, getting the rest of our wedding stuff. But it's cool. I want it. Halloweeny. I found the wedding aisle.
We'll see. I think I have too many books.
Getting our stuff, wedding aisle. Isn't this so exciting? So now Devin decides he wants to do a ring bearer. So I'm deciding between these two. I think I like this pillow better. We got 2 frames, some flowers, and here is, gonna do a candle thing. So remember my parents doing it. So we could do that. And then since Devin wants his nephew to be the ring bearer, got 50% off, buy one, get one, 50% off on wedding decor, invitations, and accessories. So I'll do a flower girl since I do have one here to do it. So wedding stuff.
I mean, I would like them all.
This one with the lace, and then for the flower girl, Harley is gonna be so freaking excited. My friend Robin has a little girl, and she's gonna be so excited because she wanted to be the flower girl, and I said we weren't doing that, but now we're doing it. What's up, girl? The Michael's security camera. Alright, so we got the white permanent marker, got a P. Not literal P. Got my list. We got our spray paint. And all we need is a white bucket. They didn't have a big one, a card box. They didn't really have baby wreaths, and the rest is from the dollar store. So let's double look again. There's the wedding aisle. So these are the buckets they have. I need a bigger one. And these are the boxes. And I need more rectangle ones. Found some fall buckets. I'm gonna spray paint one of them. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, look at Fluffers. I'm gonna show you guys what we got at Michael's, and we also went to the dollar store real quick. We got 2 bottles of spray paint. We got the rose gold color, and well, it says it's what, copper? No, Montana gold, but it's like a rose gold color. No, and then we got matte white. So we got 2 spray paints, and then Devin also got this stuff to fix our bed frame with. We also got a 25% coupon on top of our it was 50% on one regular item. So we got 50% off of one regular item. Then we got 25% off on top of our purchase, on top of the buy one get 50% off items that they had in the store. So is the other receipt in there, or you gave it to me, right? I got these candles for us. They are wedding candles, wedding ceremony unity candles, so that we can light them. So I thought that would be a cute idea because they have like a bunch of tables, so we could somehow set it up. Oh, at the dollar store, we need 2 things to hold. I found a bucket. I actually almost didn't find a bucket, but they had a bunch of buckets for the fall Halloween. So I got this bucket, and I really like that it's like this, but I'm gonna be painting it white. Maybe we should, maybe not. Should we keep it like this or paint it white? Because then I'm gonna put like bucket list. You like it like this? Maybe we'll just keep it like this. That's the bucket. And we're making it as like a bucket list so people could write bucket list. Then we got this, and I don't know if I'll do spray paint it rose gold or white, depending on how the spray paint paints. But P, that my last name is gonna be Poissant. What? Poissant. It's Poissant. Croissant. Poissant. I got the P just to like place somewhere, and then I could use it as like a gallery wall piece afterwards. I got crazy glue because I'm gonna need that. Then we got this origami thing for his nephew. That's not part of the wedding. I also got 2 mason jars because I'm making flower pot thing. I got 3 of these flowers to put in the mason jars, and then oh, I didn't get the freaking rose flowers from the dollar store. Man, I gotta go to the dollar store again. We got the ring bearer pillow for our nephew, because by the time you watch this, he'll be my nephew. Because I'm not posting these till after. I'm gonna have one of the girls, one of my friends, a little girl, younger girl, be the flower girl, and the white rose petals that I bought from the Dahlia tree prior is what I'm gonna use for that. Then I got this permanent marker for one of the DIYs. I got some twine to put around the mason jars. What's the matter, girl? Sheba stare. And I got this rose gold happily ever after sign. Put that on like one of the tables. I thought that was like cute and goes with the theme. So that is from Michael's, part of it. And then we got the 2 frames. Get one free, the frames? Yeah. Buy one, get one free. So we got this big one, 15 by 21. And I'm gonna print out lettering and write love starts here, love begins here, and then our initials or whatever. And that will be our welcoming sign. And that's why I got the white permanent marker. And then I will spray paint the outside rose gold. And then this one is the frame. It's a 14 by 18 is where the wreath will go for the DIY. And I'll tie it in, take the glass out, and that will be that decoration. And then we got more fake flowers for another vase that I have that I got from the dollar store. So this, my CDs. Dollar store, I had to get more bubbles, so the amount of the people I'm gonna have, so I got 6 of them, and I got 2 more candle holders because I'm making another tray thing, and I got tape because we'll need that. I got more Hershey Kisses for the favors. They didn't have any more of the buckets, so I'm gonna have to try to go to a different Dollar Tree and see if they have them. And then I got more plates for the layered tray that I'm putting the favors on. So that's everything we got. I spent $23 in Dollar Tree, and then we spent $157. It was gonna be probably $230 in Michael's, so we got paid $157 with all the discounts. Well, a little bit more because he got the spray paints. So it's what? $157 plus what? 14 you said?
No, it was
12? Oh, all together. But with the spray paints, it was like 14, 12. This is part 2 of our wedding shopping. Devin came with me this time. That is everything I got. And then, yeah, I will, like I said, do DIYs with all the ones that I make. And then I'll do like a wedding haul as well with everything that is done afterwards. Still have to get the card boxes to make the card box for the cards. Michael's did not have rectangle boxes. They only had square ones. So other than that, I'm gonna end this here. I'll see you guys next time. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye. You massive huge haul from Young Living with my September essential rewards. Now 2 people